How to stop accepting responses in Google Forms. First, you want to open up a new tab and then search for Google Forms and then click on the first link and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now you want to select the form that you want to disable, for example this one. Click on it to open it up. Now you should see published status on the top right hand side. Click on it and from here you should be able to see whether it's currently accepting responses or not. So if it says accepting responses like this, simply uncheck this box and then you will be able to see it's not accepting responses anymore. Now you can simply click on the save button. Now when people enter to your form, they should be able to see that this form is no longer accepting responses. You can also edit this message to basically display anything like this, and then simply press the save again. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.